Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get a taken Instagram username. If you're using Instagram and you want to get a taken Instagram username, so let's see how can you do that. So this is the only and the best way. You just have to request to the person to give your account. So for example, if you're trying to any username to add that as your own, so you just have to contact with the profile or with the person that's using this username. You just have to send a message to them. So let's say select any of them here. So I'm going to message this one. So you just have to go to this message and message him that I want to get or I want to use the username which you're using. So now let me get your profile. Or the other thing you can try, you can advise or you can request the other person to change their username. So once the other person have changed their username, you can easily use their username without any issue because they have already changed their username. So the username is now free and available, and you can easily get that on your profile. So in this way, you can easily get taken Instagram username. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.